Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for unbiased product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of power supplies, and we've got a gem for you, the EVGA Supernova 1000P3. This bad boy is not just any power supply. It's the best 1000W platinum-rated powerhouse available in the market right now. Stick around as we unpack all its features and why it's a must-have for your PC setup. Alright, let's kick things off with efficiency. The EVGA Supernova 1000P3 is 80+ platinum certified, boasting an impressive 92% efficiency at 115 VAC and a whopping 94% efficiency at 220 VAC to 240 VAC under typical loads. That means you're getting top-notch power delivery without breaking the bank on your electricity bill. But wait, there's more. Inside this sleek and compact 180mm package, you'll find 100% Japanese capacitors ensuring long-term reliability. Plus, it's fully modular, so say goodbye to cluttered cables and hello to improved airflow for your rig. Now, let's talk about performance. The EVGA Supernova 1000P3 features a full-bridge LLC resonant converter and DC-DC design, delivering tight voltage regulation and minimal ripple and noise. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or tackling heavy workloads, this power supply has got your back. And what about noise? We've got you covered there too. Thanks to its fluid dynamic bearing fan, this power supply operates ultra quietly, ensuring a peaceful gaming or working environment. Plus, it's built to last, with increased lifespan to keep your system running smoothly for years to come. In conclusion, the EVGA Supernova 1000P3 is not just a power supply. It's a game changer for your PC setup. With its platinum-level efficiency, rock-solid performance, and whisper-quiet operation, it's no wonder why it's the best 1000W power supply on the market. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the difference yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and let us know in the comments what products you'd like us to feature next. Until next time, happy gaming and stay powered up.